Alright guys, so I get a lot of questions asking me how I do my French. I'm going to insert some pictures of my Frenchies first of all. So what I'm going to do here today is show you guys how I do my Frenchies, and I'm going to add in 3 extra ones that I usually don't do, but we're going to experiment. Let's get right into it. I have swatch sticks. You can use whatever. As far as the canvas, I have my lamp here. I did cover these fully in black. I'm going to use white polish for the French. I'm going to use a long liner brush, a cleanup brush. You can use some paper towels, and I'm going to use a little bit of acetone just to clean up anything that we don't want or any mistakes that we may have made. All right, so the first French that I'm going to do here is the V-cut French. This one is super simple because you're literally just drawing a V. What you want to focus on is keeping that V pretty straight so that when you are done, everything looks symmetrical and it looks flawless. Just make sure you're getting the outline as neat as possible. You can always perfect it with that second line polish. I'm going to show you guys what I mean here in a second. All right, so I'm going to start kind of right here. I'm going to place the brush down and sort of drag it all the way down. That looks good. Doing the other side. Alright, so I actually do like that. I should have made it deeper right then and there. I also didn't specify what type of V-cut French we were doing. While that's curing, let's do the diagonal French. And a diagonal French or a side French, whichever one you want to call it. It's literally just one side done. I'm going to start from up here. And you're gonna go just like you're doing a V-cut. My hand wasn't steady, but I'm gonna go in again. Kind of keep that hand steady. On one side, drag it over to the other side of the nail and then release. Yep, that's perfect. And make sure you're filling those sides. Boom, that is beautiful. While that's curing, I am gonna go in a little bit more just to get a deeper V-cut French. These type of French are super easy to do. Only thing you have to do is worry about getting your hand control with your brush because it is a precise line. So it kind of has to be not perfect, but you're kind of gonna have a steady hand. Diagonal French is done. So now we're gonna do a classic French. I like to start here and I like to drag mine down. I hold my swatch kind of up at first, but then as I'm swooping around, just to get that accuracy on point, I kind of aim it down. Perfect. And to save time, I literally take the brush and then I just fill it in. That's why I do the outline first. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in and get it cured. The V-cut is done. While that is curing, we're gonna work on a deep French. Start where I always start, and I'm gonna drag it all the way down. Perfect. Yes, yes, yes. All right, boom. Let's get her cured. All right, so they're all done. Diagonal / side French, classic French, V-cut French, deep French. What do you guys think? The black background just... These are super cute. I really hope that you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below which one of these Frenchies are your favorite. And share this with a buddy who needs help with Frenchies. Thank you guys again for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one.